you ready? It's watermelon time! Wow! This looks so good! Nice and fresh. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm definitely gonna win this eating race! No way! She's eating so much faster than me! Done! I win! Whoa! Something's happening to me! I better catch up so I'm not left behind! Hey! Look at this cool place! Should I open mine? Okay, here I go. Wait! I've got a bonkers idea. Let's switch them! Yes, that's a great idea! Let's see what I've got. Hey, it's a watermelon! Yes! That's so awesome! Nice! I'm gonna see what I've got. Hey, what the heck? I've got an empty watermelon rind. It's completely cleaned out. What's the best way to eat this? With my mouth? Hands? Man, I wish I had some silverware or something. I can't believe he got that whole watermelon and I got nothing. Hey, wait a second. I've got a genius idea. Time to get to work with my plan. I knew this slime would come in handy. Alright, I'll just pour this into the empty rind. There it goes! Gloop, gloop, gloop. Excellent! It's filled the entire rind. And then I've got to add the seeds so it looks real. Finally, I'll just do another switcheroo. There we go. And he didn't see a thing! Finally! It's time to dig into this delicious-looking melon. Hey! What the heck is this? This isn't watermelon at all! It's a fake! It's slime! Oh wow. That's a bummer that it's not real. But I guess I'm gonna eat mine now. I can't wait! Well, how about this? Roar! I'm Slime Face! You scared me! You're ridiculous! Here, we can share the melon. Oh, thanks. Hey, how come we don't have anything this time? Yeah, I don't get it. There's absolutely nothing here. Wait, I've got an idea about what to do! Whoa! Look at you! You look amazing! Wow. Thanks. I always keep this outfit with me. And now to find the missing treasure. But that's a map of the whole world. How will that help? Eureka! I know exactly where it is! I've got my lasso! You ready to see this? I'll just give it a spin and then a toss! Got it! Come on! Help me pull! Ugh! Pull harder! Let's go! Got it! Phew. That was a lot of hard work. Now let's open this and see what's inside. Wait! What about me? I still don't have one. Ugh. Fine. There. You happy? Are you kidding me? Wow. Here I go. No way! I've got a gummy watermelon lollipop! What the heck? I can't believe you got that! It looks so good! It does! Here I go! Oh my gosh. It's so good. Nice! I hope I've got one too! Oh, I've got more watermelon. Yay. Yeah, that's rough. I'm glad I don't have that. I'm just tired of eating plain watermelon. Hey, maybe I can shake this up a bit. Alright, I've got the melon, a knife, and a bowl. I'll just put the chopped up melon in a bowl. And then I'll smash it all up with a spoon. That should be good. Now I'll pour it into these popsicle molds. Besides the juice, I'll add some watermelon chunks too. And then I've got to put in the popsicle stick. Oh, I see what you're doing over there. Smart. Alright! They've got to be frozen now. Now I've got my own watermelon popsicle! Whoa! That looks really good! Okay, fine. You can have one too. Here you go. You're lucky I'm so nice. Thumbwars! I'm gonna beat you for sure! Yes! I pinned you! I win! Ha! Oh, look. Surprising new one. It's more watermelon. Yeah, that's rough. Let's see what I've got. Man, I got regular watermelon too. What the heck? We got the exact same thing. Where's the fun in that? Well, I guess we might as well eat it. You know what? It's time to zazz this up. Chef to the rescue! You just watch what I can do. I've got 3 bowls. What? Why? What are you gonna do with those? You just watch. You're gonna be amazed. First, I gotta dip it in this. That's right. Soy sauce. Impressed yet? Well, next it goes into the flour. I want to make sure it's well coated. That should do it. Looking good. Finally, it's going into the panko. Ta-da! This is going great. I just need one more thing. Yes! A mini grill. Perfect. I'll just put it inside and close the lid. I don't get this at all. This seems weird to me. You'll see. It's done! Look at this crispy goodness! And now to give it a try. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's utterly delicious. This might be the best thing I've ever eaten. Well, alright then. I'm gonna try to make it too. Let's see here. I'll start with this piece, I think. Now, what to do with it? I've got an idea. It's chef time! Gotta do some of this, and then a little of that. Gonna need to tenderize it too. Whoa! You're kinda making a mess over there. Alright, my watermelon slice is ready! I'm so excited! Now into the grill it goes! I've just gotta wait for it to finish cooking. Whatever. You got flour all over me. Oh, I better check on it. Ooh. Yikes. I totally burned it to a crisp. Oh, you poor little chef. Good thing for you, I made an extra one. Here you go. Wow, thank you so much. You're the best. I know.
Oh, it's so frustrating! I'm so close to making a breakthrough, but I just can't seem to solve this formula. Ugh, back to the drawing board. Think, what's the answer? I bet this never happened to Newton! Huh? What just happened? It's a sign! Newton is trying to communicate with me! Tell me your secrets! Oh!
Sorry. My bad. It's my snack.
What? It hit my head when it fell from the sky.
Yeah? I was trying to use this and it slipped. But this is what I need. I'll tighten the suction cup. Then put the apple right here. If I turn the handle, it peels the apple. It's so easy. Pretty impressive, huh? It even makes it into a spiral. I know.
It's staring me in the face!
Hey nerd, look at this.
Let me see that. Fascinating. This is good brain food.
That was my apple! You ate it all! So, what are you doing? Wait, there's your problem. It's x squared, not cubed.
Of course!
It's so beautiful! A huge bar of chocolate! And it's all mine! It's so good. Although, it's a little tough. What is that? Is this a new flavor? Wait, there's something in there. It's a golden ticket! No way! I thought this only happened in movies! Mom! Wait, what's happening? Whoa! Great, now my clothes are dirty. Whoa, where am I? This is amazing!
Greetings. We've been waiting for you.
Wow! It's a creepy chocolate guy! I'm a huge fan of your work!
I get that a lot.
Oh, I have a golden ticket!
Yeah, we don't need that. Especially ones with bite marks. Come on. So these are the workshops. Ouch! This is where the chocolatey magic happens.
Wow!
Try and keep up.
This is amazing! Wait up!
Shh. The workers need all their focus on the chocolate.
Oh, of course!
And this is my office. This is where I come up with all those delicious flavors. As you can see, it has every kind of candy. One moment. Would you like some candy? What about this?
Oh, yeah!
Or this?
Yes, please!
I have an idea. I'll clear some space. I'll put a wooden skewer in this banana. I need a plate. I don't want to make a mess. Now I'll drizzle over chocolate. I want to make sure the banana is covered. It looks so good. Before it sets, we need some toppings. Delicious candy. There's so many flavors to choose from. Try one.
Oh, I can't wait! I'm gonna enjoy this. Wow, you're a confectionery genius!
Tell me something I don't know. But you gotta go.
What? But I want to stay here!
Sorry, I've got work to do.
No, don't! Huh? It was all a dream. What's that on my head? Wait! It was real?!
Shh. It's our little secret.
Whoa! This is intense! But I can't look away! Aw, I'm out of chips. It's okay. I've got more snacks. Watching movies makes me so hungry. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Wait! I'm late for school! I better get dressed. I'll just slip on my jeans. Why are they not fitting? This isn't good. Come on! Please fit! I didn't eat that much! It's pointless. This is a disaster! Ah! Oops. I'm so clumsy. Oh well. Oh no! No! Please don't! Ugh.
Ow!
No! Sorry! Ah! Ah!
Mickey! What's wrong? What happened?
My jeans won't fit.
That's it? It's not a big deal. Maybe I can help. Let's work up a sweat. Let's do this. That's the attitude! Ugh, you're doing great! Mickey?
Thanks. I appreciate it. This is hard work.
Seriously? Ugh, try this. Ugh. I'm trying to help. Wait. I know what to do. I'll cut the apple in half. Then add some fruit. Finally, I'll top it with the rest of the apple. Mickey, I made a fruit burger.
Did you say burger?
Come on, give it a go.
Fine. You had me at burger.
That's yummy. And it's healthy. Unlike this.
Got any more? Hang on! I'm so late! Oops! I forgot to button my jeans. Whoa! The perfect fit!
Looking good.
I better go.
See? Fruit isn't so bad. Ugh. Home at last. What a shot. What the? There you go, honey. Ugh! What happened in here? Mickey? Don't worry! Daddy's here! Mickey! Sweetie, talk to me!
Dad?
Oh no!
Oh, hi, Dad!
What happened in here?
That was some good watermelon.
You were eating? Phew. Just wait there. I've got just the thing. Aha! This is what we need. This will fix everything. Trust me. Slice the watermelon in half. Then run this clever gadget along the flesh. It cuts the watermelon into bite-sized pieces. And there's no mess. Just a bowl of wonderful watermelon. Look what I've got. I hope you like it.
For me? Thanks, Dad! I love watermelon! Oh, it's so juicy!
That's my girl. Huh? You ate it already?
What can I say? I have a problem. But I'm not ashamed of it.
I suppose I better get cutting. I'll be right back.
Thanks, Daddy! You're the best! Wake up!
What is it? Is something wrong?
I'm hungry. I need food. I mean, I'm eating for two.
No problem, honey. I'll be right back. I just want to sleep. Okay, think. A nice, healthy plate of fruit. This is great. I think that's everything. Look what I've got. I hope you like it.
Nah. I don't want it.
Really? Okay, hold on. How about this?
Nope.
Candy? Cake?
Pass.
I raided every cupboard in the kitchen.
Oh, wow! No thanks.
You must want this.
Seriously, Alex?
This is everything we have.
But… I don't want any of it!
It's okay. I'll think of something. This is a nightmare! What am I gonna do? Hang on. I've got it! I can use this orange. And I need this empty soda bottle. I'll cut the top from the bottle. Then I'll place the orange inside. And add some kiwi fruit and more oranges. Now for some yogurt. I'll make sure the fruit is covered. And fill it all the way to the top. That's perfect! Then I'll freeze it. I think that's been long enough. Okay, I need to remove it from the bottle. That was easy. I'll cut it into slices now. Ooh, that's cold. But it's worth it. I better take it to Mickey. What's taking so long? Ahem. This'll be a surprise.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
You will? I'm so happy.
Ooh, that looks good! This is just what I want! It looks so tasty! Wow, Alex! It's delicious! You can definitely make this again! Alex? Where did he go? Oh well, more for me! Daddy's clever, isn't he, little one? Sometimes you don't need fancy food to satisfy your appetite. All you need is some delicious fruit. What's your best fruit hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.